Grammar versus Smartphone autocorrect. Grandma Nkiru had finally joined the world of smartphones. She could take pictures, check the time, and even watch videos of dancing goats. But there was one enemy she had not defeated: autocorrect. One Saturday morning, Grandma wanted to send her daughter a simple message. "I'm cooking rice." She typed slowly, squinting through her glasses. But autocorrect changed it to, "I'm cooking mice." Grandma screamed. "Chinik, what kind of phone is this?" "I don't cook mice." She deleted it and tried again. Rice, autocorrect, mice. "Are you mad?" She scolded the phone. "Do I look like a cat?" She tried a voice note instead. "Phone, right? I am cooking rice." The phone typed, "I am booking ice." Grandma slapped her forehead. "Who is booking ice?" "Maya running a cold store." The grandchildren heard her yelling and rushed into the room. "Grandma, what happened?" "This phone is possessed," she said dramatically. "It keeps insulting me." Keen took the phone and typed gently, "I am cooking rice." The phone obeyed. Grandma glared. "Oh, so it behaves for you. It is me it wants to disgrace." Keen laughed. "Grandma, you're pressing too hard." It let the phone breathe small. Grandma rolled her eyes. "Let me breathe. This thing is fighting me." Jess. Then, Grandma decided to try sending another message. She wanted to write, "I'm resting now." She pressed send without checking. Autocorrect proudly delivered. "I'm wrestling cows," her daughter replied immediately. "What?" Grandma froze. "You? This phone has finished me." 2. The grandchildren burst into laughter. "Grandma, 10:0FF autocorrect," Ada suggested. Keen switched it off in the settings. Grandma sighed with relief. Finally, freedom. She typed again and smiled as the words stayed the same. Later that day, she sent a message to her daughter. "I'm cooking rice," her daughter replied. "Oh, good. Not mice?" Grandma hissed playfully. "Leave me alone, Biko." Holiday. It was the phone. And from that day on, Grandma trusted her phone a little more, but autocorrect. She still watched it with one eye open.